Calculate sine theta for theta in the second quadrant if cos theta is negative 7 on 25. Here it will help if you know some Pythagorean triads. This is from a right angle triangle at 7, 24, 25. But if you don't know that, you can work it out. Let me show you. To do this calculation, I need a relationship between sine and cos. And that is sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals 1. In this case, sine squared theta is 1 minus cos squared theta. Okay, put in cos theta, 7 on 25. I ignored the negative sign because I'm squaring it anyway. That's 1 minus 49 on 625. Get yourself a calculator if you don't know the square of 25. And that is going to be 625 take 49, which is just over 625 take 50. So it's 576 on 625. Now carefully, that's sine squared theta. So sine theta is plus or minus the square root of that. And again, if you don't know your squares, get your calculator. Plus or minus 24 on 25. Now, is it positive or is it negative? Well, it's in the second quadrant, and sine is positive in the second quadrant. Therefore, 24 on 25 as theta in second quadrant. Calculate cos theta for theta in the third or fourth quadrant if tan theta is 3. I need a relationship between cos and tan. Well, that is 1 plus tan squared is sec squared. So 1 plus tan squared theta is sec squared theta. Sorry, I just said that in the order I learnt it, not the order on your formula sheet, which is actually tan squared theta plus 1 equals sec squared theta. Sorry. Try and remember to do it the other way next time. Here I'm solving for cos, which is actually the sec squared. How am I going to do this? Let me solve for sec squared first. So sec squared theta is, now write it in this order, tan squared theta, 3 squared, plus 1. That's 10. That's sec squared. So sec theta is root 10. Sorry, plus or minus root 10. Which means cos theta is plus or minus 1 over root 10. But tan is positive, and the angle I'm looking for is in either the third or the fourth quadrant. So it's down here or down here. But tan is positive here, so I must be in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, cos is negative, x is negative. So that's negative 1 on root 10 as theta is in the third quadrant.